The morning star is a bullish candlestick pattern that often indicates a potential reversal of a downtrend. It typically consists of 3 candlesticks and forms at the bottom of a downtrend. Here's how the pattern is identified. 1. First candlestick, bearish. The first candlestick in the pattern is a long bearish candle, indicating strong selling pressure. This candlestick confirms the existing downtrend. 2. Second candlestick, indecisive. The second candlestick is a small-bodied candle that can be bullish or bearish. It signifies indecision in the market. 3. Third candlestick, bullish. The third candlestick is a long bullish candle which opens above the close of the previous candle and closes near or above the midpoint of the first candlestick's body. This candlestick indicates a shift in momentum from bearish to bullish as buyers start to take control. The formation of a morning star pattern suggests that selling pressure is weakening and buyers may be gaining control.